In a previous video, we talked about the most reliable Ford F-150 models over the last 20 years. Now let's dive into its main competitor, the Chevy Silverado. We'll kick things off with the Vortec V6 4.3 LU3 engine paired with the 4L60 automatic transmission. This combo has proven to be sturdy and dependable in these trucks. The LU3 is a 4.3-liter V6 from GM's Vortec family, known for its straightforward design and ability to deliver solid torque at low RPMs, making it a good choice for light to medium-duty jobs. The 4L60 is a 4-speed automatic that's been used in a ton of different vehicles, thanks to its reliability and ease of maintenance. This powertrain was primarily used in the Silverado from 2003 to 2014, especially in entry-level and light-duty versions like the 1500. It became a popular pick for those looking for an economical truck that could handle daily tasks without any hassle. The Vortec 4.3 is celebrated for its mechanical simplicity, which makes it easy to maintain and helps keep repair costs down. One of the reasons this combination is seen as reliable is its proven design and resilience over time, even in tough conditions. The 4.3-liter V6 has a solid reputation for durability, as long as you keep up with regular maintenance, like oil changes and coolant system checks. The 4L60 transmission also holds up well with proper care, though it can wear out faster if it's consistently loaded down since it's built for lighter-duty vehicles. Now, while it's a dependable engine, the Vortec 4.3 can have its share of common issues. You might run into problems with intake gaskets, distributor issues, potential coolant leaks from a worn water pump, or excessive oil consumption. The 4L60 transmission can also have issues with shift solenoids and converter wear, especially in high-mileage trucks. If you keep up with regular maintenance and address these problems early, you could see this combo last anywhere from 200,000 to 300,000 miles. Despite its strengths, this setup doesn't rank higher on our list mainly due to its lower power output, up to 195 horsepower and 260 pounds-feet of torque, which might not cut it for a lot of truck users. But if you're in the market for a Silverado that's good for light work and fuel efficient, this is definitely a solid choice. Moving up a notch, we find the combination of the 6.2-liter V8 engine and the 6L80 automatic transmission, which was one of the most powerful and refined setups Chevy offered in the Silverado between 2008 and 2013. This engine, coded L9H, is part of GM's well-known LS family, famous for its power and performance. With a 6.2-liter capacity, this V8 cranks out up to 403 horsepower and 417 pounds-feet of torque, making it ideal for anyone looking for a truck that can handle heavy towing or deliver a dynamic driving experience on the road. The 6L80 transmission, a 6-speed automatic, pairs perfectly with the engine, providing smooth shifts and improved efficiency, thanks to its wider gear range. This combo was available in the Chevrolet Silverado from 2008 to 2013, particularly in higher-end models like the Silverado 1500 LTZ, as well as performance-oriented versions with sport or luxury packages, and in the Denali trims of the GMC Sierra. These trucks stood out for striking a balance between luxury and capability, making them popular among those wanting high performance without sacrificing comfort. The reliability of this setup largely comes from the sturdy 6.2 V8 engine, which has proven to be very durable with proper maintenance. It's built to handle tough demands, and with the right care, it can deliver consistent performance for many years. Notably, this engine didn't come with the controversial Active Fuel Management (AFM) cylinder deactivation system. The 6L80 transmission, known for its solid construction and ability to handle the V8's torque, is also regarded for its reliability. However, it's crucial to keep up with regular oil changes and maintain the cooling system to prevent overheating issues that could impact its lifespan. Despite its many advantages, this powertrain isn't without its problems. The 6.2-liter V8 might have issues with oxygen sensors and, in some cases, excessive oil consumption. While the 6L80 is generally reliable, it can encounter problems with the torque converter and transmission control module, especially in high-mileage vehicles or those subjected to extreme use. Plus, it doesn't quite reach the exceptional durability levels of some other transmissions we'll discuss later. With diligent maintenance and care, this setup can last between 250,000 and 300,000 miles. However, it has two main downsides. First is its fuel consumption. While many GM truck enthusiasts might not mind, it can be a deal breaker for others, especially since it requires premium 91-octane fuel. The second is the transmission itself. While it's quite good, it doesn't match the reliability of some other options out there. Taking it up another notch, we have the 6.0-liter V8 engine, known by its code LY6, paired with the 6L90 automatic transmission, a highly valued option for its toughness and capability in Chevrolet Silverado trucks. The LY6 is part of the Vortec engine family and features a 6-liter V8 with sequential fuel injection, designed to deliver reliable power and outstanding performance under demanding conditions. This engine puts out about 361 horsepower and 380 pounds-feet of torque, making it perfect for those who need serious performance for towing and hauling heavy loads. The 6L90 transmission is a reinforced 6-speed automatic, built to handle the high torque of this engine, providing a great balance of durability and efficiency in various driving situations. This powertrain was available in the Chevrolet Silverado primarily between 2007 and 2010, especially in the heavier-duty models like the 25HD and 35HD, designed for hard work and users who need a truck that can take on large loads without sacrificing durability. This combo was particularly popular among those seeking a reliable truck for tough jobs, maintaining impressive towing and hauling capacities. The reliability of this setup comes from the high-quality engineering of the LY6 engine, which features reinforced internal components, such as heavy-duty pistons and a forged steel crankshaft, allowing it to withstand intense use. The 6L90 transmission, with its robust design and ability to handle significant torque, is also known for its durability, especially in heavy-duty applications. However, it's crucial to keep the transmission fluid in good condition and perform regular maintenance to ensure it runs smoothly throughout its lifespan. While the 6.0 LY6 engine and the 6L90 transmission are generally reliable, the LY6 can sometimes face issues with oxygen sensors and, in some cases, with the emissions control system, which can impact its performance. The 6L90, although tough, might have problems with the torque converter and the electronic control system, especially if it doesn't receive proper maintenance or if the vehicle has been used heavily. With the right upkeep, this combination can easily exceed 300,000 miles of life. It's an excellent powertrain, but it's really best suited for those who need a heavy-duty vehicle. In fifth place, we have the combination of the 6.0-liter V8 engine, known as the L96, paired with the 6L90 automatic transmission, one of the toughest and most reliable setups offered in the heavy-duty versions of the Chevrolet Silverado. The L96 engine, part of the Vortec family, features a cast-iron block and aluminum heads, giving it exceptional durability and the ability to handle extreme conditions. With an output of around 360 horsepower and 380 pounds-feet of torque, this V8 delivers the performance needed for demanding tasks like towing and hauling heavy loads. The 6L90 transmission is a 6-speed automatic designed to handle the engine's high torque, providing smooth shifts and excellent towing capability. This powertrain was available in the Chevrolet Silverado from 2010 to about 2019, mainly in the 25HD and 35HD models, built for heavy-duty work and commercial applications. These Silverado variants are known for their towing capacity and durability, making them the go-to choice for anyone needing a truck that can handle tough usage without sacrificing performance. The reliability of this setup largely stems from the robust construction of the L96 engine, which includes high-strength components like a forged steel crankshaft and durable pistons. It's designed to deliver consistent performance even under maximum load and adverse conditions. The 6L90 transmission complements the engine perfectly, with its reinforced design and ability to handle heavy loads, ensuring the truck can tackle any challenge on the road. Plus, this transmission features adaptive shift control, optimizing performance and fuel efficiency based on driving conditions. While it's very durable, the L96 engine may encounter some issues over time, such as wear on the oxygen sensors. On the plus side, this engine didn't implement the flex fuel system, which boosts its overall reliability. The 6L90 transmission, despite its good reputation, might face issues with the torque converter and shift solenoids in high-mileage vehicles or those used heavily. With proper maintenance, including regular oil changes and periodic checks of key systems, this combination can achieve an estimated durability of between 350,000 and 400,000 miles. In fourth place, we have the Vortec 4.8-liter V8 engine, paired with the 4L60E automatic transmission. This engine, internally known as the LR4, is part of General Motors' LS engine family. With a displacement of 4.8 liters, the LR4 delivers between 270 and 295 horsepower, along with torque ranging from 285 to 305 pounds-feet, depending on the year and specific application. Its design features a cast iron block and aluminum heads, giving it impressive durability and decent fuel efficiency for a truck equipped with a V8. This combo was available in the Chevrolet Silverado from 1999 to around 2013, mainly in the 1500 models, offered in regular cab, extended cab, and crew cab configurations. The Vortec 4.8L V8 became a more budget-friendly choice compared to the larger V8s, providing enough power for daily driving and light to moderate tasks without breaking the bank on fuel. It's ideal for those looking for a reliable truck for everyday use, while still being capable of handling light hauling and towing without any hassle. The reliability of this setup comes from its simple, proven design. The LR4 engine, with its cast iron block and aluminum heads, is built to withstand the demands of daily use in tough conditions. The 4L60E transmission, a 4-speed automatic, has been one of the most popular choices in GM vehicles for years, thanks to its durability and straightforward design. Its robust construction makes it well-suited for regular use, and with proper maintenance, it can provide years of dependable service. However, like any mechanical system, the Vortec 4.8-liter and 4L60E aren't without their issues. The engine can have problems with intake manifold gaskets, which might lead to oil leaks and reduced efficiency. There have also been reports of crankshaft position sensor failures and oxygen sensor issues that can impact performance and fuel economy. The 4L60E transmission, while tough, can experience wear on the clutch discs and issues with the shift solenoid, especially if it's frequently loaded heavily. With proper maintenance, including regular oil changes and periodic checks, this combination can achieve an estimated lifespan of 200,000 to 300,000 miles. So, why does it rank here? Because it's a classic. Its simplicity, reliability, and performance are exactly what many people want in a truck. A straightforward, efficient machine that gets the job done without any fuss. As we move into the top three, we have the iconic pairing of the Duramax 6.6 turbo diesel LMM engine and the Allison 1000 automatic transmission. This combination is especially favored by those who need a heavy-duty truck built for long-lasting durability. The LMM, part of GM's Duramax Engine series developed in collaboration with Isuzu, is a 6.6-liter V8 diesel engine featuring direct injection and turbocharging, generating around 365 horsepower and an impressive 660 pounds-feet of torque. It's renowned for its ability to deliver reliable performance under extreme loads, making it perfect for heavy towing and transporting substantial cargo. This combo was used in the Chevrolet Silverado HD from 2007 to 2010, mainly in the 25 and 35 models, which were specifically designed for heavy-duty work and commercial applications. During this time, the Duramax 6.6 LMM stood out, not just for its power, but also for its compliance with stringent emissions regulations, thanks to the addition of a diesel particulate filter and enhancements in its emissions control system. This allowed the truck to maintain its work capabilities without compromising efficiency or environmental standards. The LMM engine, with its iron block and aluminum heads, is built to withstand intensive, continuous use. The Allison 1000 transmission, featuring 6 speeds, is legendary for its durability and ability to handle high torque levels. Renowned in the industry for its robust design, this transmission perfectly meets the demands of heavy-duty tasks. The combination of Duramax and Allison is highly regarded for tackling tough jobs with ease and reliability. However, despite its remarkable durability, the Duramax 6.6 LMM does come with some specific challenges. One common issue is the failure of the diesel particulate filter, which can lead to frequent regenerations and, in severe cases, reduced power. Trucks with high mileage may also experience injector problems, and replacement can be quite costly. While the Allison 1000 transmission is generally very reliable, it can suffer from internal component wear if not properly maintained, including regular fluid changes and cooling system checks. With diligent maintenance, this combination can achieve an estimated lifespan of 300,000 to 400,000 miles, making it an exceptional choice for those needing a truck built to last. So why isn't it in first place? Despite its impressive performance and durability, not everyone needs a heavy-duty truck. Repair and maintenance costs for a diesel engine can be significantly higher than those for a gasoline engine in the event of a failure. In the number 2 spot, we have the Vortec 6-liter V8 paired with the 4L80E automatic transmission, one of the toughest and most durable setups ever offered in the Chevrolet Silverado, especially in the heavy-duty versions. The Vortec 6.0 V8, internally known as the LQ4 and LQ9 in some applications, is part of GM's well-regarded LS engine family. This engine stands out for its iron block and aluminum heads, which give it exceptional strength and durability. Depending on the year and specific configuration, the Vortec 6-liter V8 can produce between 300 and 345 horsepower, with torque ranging from around 360 to 380 pounds-feet, providing a perfect balance of power and reliability for demanding tasks. This combination was utilized in the Chevrolet Silverado from 1999 to about 2006, particularly in the 25 and 35 models designed for heavy-duty applications. These versions of the Silverado were extremely popular in sectors like construction, transportation, and other industries that required a truck capable of handling heavy loads and long workdays. The Vortec 6-liter V8 was the ideal choice for those needing power and durability, without opting for a diesel engine. The reliability of this combo largely stems from the solid construction of the engine, which includes robust internal components like a forged steel crankshaft and durable pistons. The 4L80E transmission, an evolution of the 4L60E, is a 4-speed automatic specifically designed to handle the torque of larger engines and the demands of heavy-duty work. With its reinforced design and capacity to handle up to 800 pounds-feet of torque, the 4L80E pairs perfectly with the Vortec 6.0, providing smooth shifts and excellent towing capability. However, despite its reputation for durability, the Vortec 6-liter V8 with the 4L80E isn't without its issues. Over time, the engine may experience failures in the oxygen sensors and the EGR valve, potentially impacting fuel efficiency and overall performance. Additionally, while the 4L80E transmission is incredibly robust, it can suffer from wear on the clutch discs and issues with the shift solenoid, especially if the vehicle has been regularly used to tow very heavy loads. So why isn't it in first place? While it's one of the most reliable setups available, it's not suitable for everyone since it's only offered in the HD versions of the Silverado. Still, for those who truly need a heavy-duty workhorse, this combination is hard to beat. And that's why the top spot goes to the Vortec 5.3-liter V8 paired with the 4L60E automatic transmission. Known by its internal code LS4, this engine is part of GM's prestigious LS engine series. With a capacity of 5.3 liters, it delivers between approximately 285 and 320 horsepower, depending on the year and specific configuration. Its torque ranges from 295 to 335 pounds-feet, providing an optimal balance of power and fuel efficiency, suitable for everything from daily driving to moderate towing. This combination was available in the Chevrolet Silverado from 1999 until around 2013, spanning multiple generations. The Vortec 5.3L V8 was offered in both the 1500 and 25 models, making it a popular choice for users needing hauling capacity as well as for those looking for reliable performance in their everyday truck. Its versatility and balance of power and efficiency made it attractive to a wide range of drivers, from individual owners to commercial fleets. The reliability of this combination lies in the solid engineering of the Vortec 5.3-liter engine and the toughness of the 4L60E transmission. The engine features an iron block and aluminum heads, contributing to its durability and resistance under demanding conditions. Although the 4L60E transmission is older than some of the newer options out there, it's known for its reliability and simplicity, effectively handling the torque of the 5.3 engine. Its robust design has proven capable of withstanding daily use and moderate loads without sacrificing performance. However, as we know, no machine is perfect, especially over time. These engines can experience failures in the oxygen sensors and issues with the oil pressure control valve, which can affect performance and fuel efficiency. Common issues with the 4L60E transmission include wear on the clutch discs and failures in the shift solenoid, particularly if the vehicle has been subjected to heavy loads or intense use. With proper maintenance, including regular oil changes and periodic checks, this combination can achieve an estimated durability of around 300,000 miles. As I mentioned earlier, this is my selection, and I'd love to hear your feedback. Which combinations do you think should be included, and which should be left out? How should this list be ordered? And remember, if you have any good or bad experiences with these engines, feel free to share them in the comments. If you haven't checked out the video on the best F-150s, I'll link it here for you to watch. Until next time.